Hi there, it's Mike Wise from Capstone Direct Mortgage. Today is our last video in the Affordability Series. You've seen the seller paid buy down option and how it works. Maybe you have pre-approved for a certain amount, whether it's a $600,000 purchase price, a $700,000 purchase price, $800,000, whatever you were pre-approved for. I'm gonna show you how you can actually purchase a house for a lot more than what you were pre-approved for, keeping your payment the exact same. So let's give an example here. So let's just say that you were pre-approved for an $800,000 purchase price. Your loan amount is $640,000. Your interest rate is 5.99%. APR ends up being around the 6.093%, and your payment is $3,833 per month. Your cash to close ends up being about $170,000 per month. I'm not going to show any monthly savings here. What I'm going to show you is actually how to get to a higher purchase price. So let's say you're out shopping for houses, or you're online searching and you're like, you know what, let me just increase my purchase price to $900,000, and one comes up and it's $880,000, and you're like, I can't afford that. But you know, let's just take a look at it. You look at it, you love it, you want to make an offer on it, but you're only approved for $640,000 loan amount. But in this instance, 20% down is $704,000. So your loan amount goes up, but what we're going to use is that seller paid buy down option. We're going to take $14,000 of this increased purchase price, and we're going to use that to buy down the interest rate to 5.125%. Your APR is going to be 5.374%. Your payment actually stays the same at $3,833 per month. Your payment is still the exact same as it was that you were pre-approved for, which you were okay with at an $800,000 purchase price. Now, one of the only downsides here is that your cash to close will go up to $184,000. So you got to come in with an extra $14,000 to close on this transaction. Again, the monthly savings is nothing, because what we're doing here is trying to get you up to a purchase price that you'll feel comfortable at with the same payment at the lower purchase price. This is strategies that we can use where we're gonna give you the ability to buy a bigger house using the seller paid buy down strategy. I know this is a lot. If you have any questions on it whatsoever, please feel free to give me a call, and I'd be more than happy to go over this in more detail with you. This is Mike Wise with Mortgage Wise at Capstone Direct Mortgage.